Are you thinking of buying a new laptop for video editing? Should you go for the new MacBook M3 or maybe a powerful Windows laptop with an Intel or AMD processor? In this video we'll compare them from every angle: performance, software, price, battery life, and daily editing experience. Stay with us till the end to find out which one is best for you. Let's start with the specs. The MacBook M3 comes with Apple's third-generation silicon chip, built on 3nm architecture. It's extremely efficient. Windows laptops vary. We've got Intel Core i9 14th generation or AMD Ryzen 9 with GPUs like RTX 4060 or 4070. The MacBook uses a powerful integrated GPU, while Windows laptops often have dedicated graphics cards, a great option for professional editors. In performance tests, Final Cut Pro runs incredibly smoothly on the MacBook M3. Exporting 4K video is, honestly, lightning fast. On Windows we use Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, and here some Windows machines really excel thanks to dedicated GPUs, especially for heavy effects. But if you rely on Adobe software, a Windows laptop offers better compatibility and customization. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, the MacBook is the ideal pick. When it comes to battery, the MacBook M3 clearly wins, with up to 17 hours of regular use and about 8 to 10 hours during editing. High-performance Windows laptops, though, consume more, especially if they have dedicated GPUs. You may need to recharge after 3 to 5 hours of intensive work. As for cooling, the MacBook stays quiet thanks to its efficient chip, though it may get warm under pressure. Windows devices usually have strong cooling systems, but honestly, they can be noticeably noisy. The MacBook M3 starts at a higher price, but you get top-tier build quality, long battery life, and a polished user experience. Windows laptops come in a wide range of prices. You can get an excellent editing machine for less, with options to upgrade later like RAM, SSD, or even the GPU. Do you prefer the stable, closed macOS environment, or maybe the flexibility of Windows? On a MacBook, everything is simple and integrated. But honestly, hardware upgrades are limited. On Windows, you can customize everything: hardware, software, and even keyboard lighting. In the end, the choice is yours. Choose the MacBook M3 if you prefer simplicity, Final Cut Pro, and long battery life. Choose a Windows laptop if you use Premiere, need stronger graphics performance, and want more customization. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer Mac or Windows? And don't forget to subscribe and like if you found this comparison helpful.